I will talk about how can you fix this problem on your Peacock app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here. You keep going down, then you click here on apps. Then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Pay Cook app, or just click here on search. So then here at Peacock, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on for stop. Then you click on OK. So then you go down here. Just click here on storage. Come to storage list here. Then you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store. Click here on Play Store here. So then here you search for Peacock, it's going to show for you like this. You will find your updates, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.